Guys, today I'm going to do a bike breakdown. My 2007 Dyna Lowrider. Start off, it's a 96 cubic inch motor. It's got fueling cams, 525 fueling cam plate. It's got rocker lockers. We got the Arlen Ness, big sucker intake with the Hell Yeah Brother 3000 cover, you gotta have that. We got the Power James Motorsports stainless pipe, basically a HPI knockoff of Sense. Sounds good, makes lots of power. Got the Flow Motorsports pegs front and rear, like that moto style grip. We got 2-inch over forks, Speed Merchant preload adjusters, and Patriot internals, eBay light, Thrashing mid-bend aggressive bars, 12-inch risers. Got the braided front brake line, just the front brake line, no rear. This is also a 6-speed. Move to the back. We got Fox IFR QSR 13.5 inch fully adjustable shocks with the 3-click dampener. Love the ride quality of them. They're unmatched. Of course, went with the Saddleman tuck and roll step up seat to keep my ass locked in when riding, ripping, cruising with someone on the back. That's about it, guys. Got little trinkets, like Drag Specialties chrome buttons, a little shit like that, but